Oh man guys, what is going on today? D Creator here, back with another video with my wife, Lindsay.
Hi.
We're gonna do something a little special. You know, since it's that time of the year of, you know, Halloween and creepiness and spooky things. But I did this thing where I put fake blood all over my car. I got a lot of people interested in it, and that was back, I don't know, it was after 2014 and before now.
Before my time.
Yeah. I just wanted to show you guys how I did it. What I used was plastic dip.
I knew you were gonna do that.
What?
Because I'm like in the middle.
Plastic dip. Yeah, a lot of people hate on plastic dip. This is actually the can I used last time. But I am not on the fence with plastic dip, but it is one of those things where if you don't do it the right way, it's gonna be hard to come off. I'm painting this car anyway, so it doesn't really matter of what happens. It's going to either get sanded off, or I can use alcohol or nail polish remover or something to get it off. It doesn't matter because it's getting repainted. I went ahead and backed up the 1998 Mach 1. I'm still getting used to this G7X. It's still a good camera. It's just weird because I'm so used to the bigger camera. Yeah, so the idea is we're gonna get plastic dip, put it on our hands, and just pretty much just flick it on the car, smear it on there, just make it look like blood. So you can actually use Goo Gone to get it off. So whenever you put Goo Gone on it, it kind of like disintegrate it and not your paint, so you be good. Not goof off, Goo Gone. There's a difference. If it smells like it's alcohol in it, it's probably the wrong one. The Goo Gone is kind of like oil. Now she's back out here with some gloves. My dogs are going crazy because they want to know what's going on out here. We're gonna go ahead and do this because I don't have that much memory left. Let's go ahead and get to it.
Are you supposed to do that?
Yeah.
Like that? You want me to like, go down on it?
I don't care.
Oh, that was cool. I like destroying your car. Don't put that hard in the video though, because people might hate me.
You know what's not gonna be fun?
Taking this off.
Yeah. But it's okay.
I actually think that, oh, it is. Oh no.
What is going through it?
Yep.
I had to add a little bit on the horse right there. What is this? Is this part of your glove? This is part of your glove.
Well, what can I say? I really like to get into my work. Sorry.
Add some of that to it so people can kind of look at it. And a little bit of that. What you think? Huh?
Looks good, boss.
Now I need to figure out how to wash my hands, because this is a lot. You still got nail polish remover, right?
Yeah, will that get it off?
It can. That's how you do it. You just put some gloves on that doesn't deteriorate.
Latex free.
Latex free.
Those were latex.
Yeah. Well, latex free probably still deteriorate. Get some heavy duty gloves. put it on your hand and just pretty much just go crazy with it, because I mean you could hit anything with it. So that's how I did this.
3 days later.
Alright guys, it's been a couple days later. I actually brought the car to work. Don't worry about the tools. I've been working on the compressor over here, but it's missing something. I don't know if it's because it doesn't have enough on it, or am I just missing something on the side. And I think I know what I can do to fix that. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that real quick. I'm kind of in a weird position because this car is right behind me, but I don't feel like moving this car or the Honda behind me. So it's just, it is what it is. Not bad. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side, and since I already did this side, I won't have to record that because it's just gonna say help. Let me go ahead and do that. I will show you guys the final product. Now guys, I'm not sure if this is gonna be the last thing I do to it. I might do a little bit of something else to it. I'm not entirely 100% sure yet, because first of all, it's a lot to come off. The plastic dip, it's just, you gotta have a lot of elbow grease just to get this off. I'm gonna try and see if I can use like a pressure washer or some sort to just try to spray it off and see if that works out. If it doesn't work out, then yeah, I'm gonna have to get the goo going and actually put it on the towel and start wiping it on there, which is probably gonna take a minute. A couple of people at my job was telling me, hey, you should try and do like, I don't know, like skeletons and spider webs over the car. And I mean, it's already pretty much out there, but I don't know how much out there I want to go with it, because I don't want to get pulled over because the cops saying my car is too distracting. It's already loud. I don't want to just get pulled over just because of, you know. So that's it for this video, guys. Please like, comment, subscribe, and look down below. Check out the merch store, because I do have some new merch on there if you want to check it out. I would greatly appreciate it and will help out with the channel. Check out some of my other videos on my channel too, because a lot of people that are looking at this probably not even subscribed to the channel, probably never even heard of me before. So, you know, we 400 subscribers strong. Go ahead, hit subscribe, make it to 500 subscribers, maybe do a giveaway. You know, maybe you'll be the one winning the giveaway. Who knows? Go ahead, hit subscribe, and that's it. We'll see you guys on the next video, all right?